And today, special thanks to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle Grip case for the 2025 iPhone 17. Now, inside of this case is the Unicorn Beetle Grip case. Nothing else in the box. So, if we slide this out, got camera control button info, warranty info, and then a very nice Supcase Unicorn Beetle case for the iPhone 17. Now you can see you do have a little Supcase logo there at the top, but outside of that, that's the only logo on this green case. It's almost like an army green looking case here. Now, to put your iPhone 17 in the case, just start with your buttons, go in this side, pop it down, and then you can basically just pop down this side as well normally, like so. Bam. Now you've got some nice protection on the front of your screen because it kind of makes a lip right here. You've got some really good thick corners all the way around to keep your phone nicely protected. Your speaker grill and your USB-C port are also nicely protected down here at the bottom. We've got a wrist strap or necklace strap. Nice camera cut out for your flash and everything. And my favorite feature is the kickstand, because with this you can easily watch vertical or horizontal video and then just fold it down out of the way, and you're back on the go. Thanks again to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle Grip case for the iPhone 17. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.